Hello, this is James. I'm working on an e-trike, and this e-trike is made by Addmotor, and I put it together all very easily, except I couldn't find anything on the internet about hooking up the handlebars to where I could get mirrors and a phone holder and everything all together. And the phone holder came with this long pipe, and I cut the pipe off shorter, and I mounted my mirrors to it. Let me pull around here in front view, and this works pretty nifty like this. You may want to give it a try this way. Believe me, I've been working here for a couple of days. I put it together easy, but then my big hang-up was dealing with these mirrors here and that phone holder. So you may want to use my idea for putting it on, because there's no really rhyme or reason as to how this goes. So again, just take a look at how this hooks up, and you can turn this the other way. I put it vertical, but you can also turn it the other way, and it gives you a little bit bigger view of your display down here. But I'm fixing to go road test it now and see how it does. Y'all have a good day, and thanks for watching.